Hi guys, and today we'll be making stir-fry Luffa grounds with eggs. Let's start cooking. First we will need our ingredients. Our ingredients are Luffa grounds, which are seen right here, which are chopped up into small slices. We will need 2 eggs cracked up, cooked shrimp, spring onion, cooking oil, minced garlic, soy sauce, chicken powder, oyster sauce. First we'll place in our oil and a bit of garlic, and then after I'm going to stir it around so that the pan heats up, and also we'll smash our eggs a bit. Stir it around, and we'll stir around our oil as well. Once you feel like the oil is cooked, we'll add in our eggs and we will stir it, but not too much because I want it to be a little bit solid. So we'll just stir it a bit around and around and around, and then at one point we'll just stop a bit. So like that. It will look like that, and then we'll leave it to rest. Next I'll add in some more oil and more garlic, and we'll stir it around as well. And this time we're cooking our prawns. So once it's heated up again, we will add in our prawns and we will stir that around until it's cooked. Once it's cooked, we are going to place it to the side.
It's getting cold.
Next, I'll add in my oil again and a pinch of minced garlic, and I will stir that around until the heat turns up and cook our Luffa grounds. Now I'm going to start cooking my Luffa grounds, and we'll add those in, and then I will stir them well until they're nice and soft and cooked. Once they're nice and soft, I will add in my cooked shrimp, and we will mix those together. Once it's all cooked, I will add in my egg, and when I add in my egg, I want to break it up, so we'll break it like that, and I'll keep on mixing while we break it up. Now I'll move on to our seasoning. First we'll add in chicken powder, then we'll add in soy sauce, then I'll add in oyster sauce. And then we will stir all of the seasonings with the stir fry, as shown right now. Keep on stirring until you see that there's no more seasoning left, particles left. And then now we'll add in our spring onion, and I'll stir that together to give it some bit of freshness. Once it's all cooked, I will now serve it and place it onto a plate and scoop it up. And then we will taste test it. taste tested it and it was really yummy, and I ate it again and I really enjoyed it. I give it a thumbs up of approval just after this, and I'll